Welcome, my friends. We have started our weekly market forecast. We have started. Join. We have started our weekly market forecast. I would move it to another window. That for you it will be far better and far more easier to watch it. Also, I try to do that stream also on TradingView. Good evening from UK, Hong Kong. From Hong Kong. Good to see you. Good to see people from Hong Kong. Okay, some admins wrote to me. Okay. Upcoming streams. My friends, welcome. Nice to see that every one of you. What we will do, our lesson structure. First, best instruments, also what will be with Apple, all that stuff. You'll be able to watch it. What else? I will show you best instruments which I would like to trade personally, and will answer on all your questions. At this moment, I ask you to smash the like button, to share that stream with your friends, with other people, and that would be the best thank you from your side. We would wait additional 1-2 minutes that everyone will come here. Please, before write about video and sound quality. Is it good? Write please about video quality. Is it good? If yes, we will start. I need to know that everything is good, that you hear me well, that you see me well, and that after that we will start. Please type into a chat. I wait for it. I wait for your response into a chat. Very good. Awesome. Also good. Also type into a chat your questions which you have about trading at this moment. Good to see Yuri, video and sound all good. Thank you. Good day to you. Yes, it is. Thank you, my friends. Thank you. Okay, today once more we will speak about Apple. First we will speak about Apple stocks after where is stock, after when iPhone released. Good. First we will speak about Apple stock. After that I will show you my instruments which I have on the list, and also after that we'll give answer to your questions. Also, below the stream, what you can find below the stream, you can open this and scroll down. You will find all of these links. A few seconds. Free course, my friends. We have free course for beginners. Join our VIP signals, account management, trustful broker. Here you can follow me on Telegram channel, TradingView page, Instagram, our website, best lessons which we have. All this stuff you'll find below this link. Okay, let's go. Let's start. Just scroll down and you will find it in description. About Apple stock, what I can tell you at this moment, remember that US election is coming, and also you can see that stock market rose up from in 2020 from April 20 from 50 to 138. Apple stock nearly rose up 300%, but their sales didn't rose up nearly 100%. 160% of net growth. And if you would check their earnings didn't rose up for 150%, as you can see. The earnings didn't rose up so much. That means at this moment market rose up in most cases because Federal Reserve System, all that people put huge amount of money into the market. And because of that, most of the stocks rose up dramatically. If you would compare Apple, all that stock and indexes, for example, S&P, Nasdaq, because Apple mimic all that indexes very well, because weight of Apple inside of those indexes big, and you would see that all indexes, why is this indexes, all American indexes, S&P 500, as you can see, pull back from all crises. Nasdaq, as you can see, coronavirus had started, and take a look where it is. But if you would compare with other indexes in all world, you would see that they didn't do pretty well. Why? Because other countries didn't put so much money into their economies, and because of that, to be honest, I don't know what will be with US dollars. Yes, I know we started from Apple, but remember that Apple stock completely depends with what will be with American economy, and it is not easy question at this moment. Would I buy Apple at this moment? No, I don't like to buy Apple at this price. Why? Because there could be volatility down. Where I would like to buy Apple, if something would happen in American economy and if price would drop down to this area, I would like to buy Apple into my portfolio for a very big and very long period of time. If something like this would happen, like here, take a look. This stuff, for me, it would be the best pattern where we can buy Apple. At this moment, my friends, price too big, possibilities that you will make additional 20-30% is too big. It doesn't matter of iPhone release or all of that stuff. If you are a long-term investor, very low possibilities that you will make money with that. Okay, if you can make a smaller your window so we can see charts better. Yes, I already did it. Yes, I already did it. Okay. Okay, let's go. EURUSD reversal. Yes, with huge possibility, EURUSD finished its move today. EURUSD already rose up 130% of its ATR. I don't like to open any position on EURUSD because it is inside of this range of this volatility. You need to understand there is no reason for any move, for up move or for down move, and because of that there could be anything would like there is no accurate entry with low predictable risk, because what is the reason that price would bounce off from this? That's why better skip. The next one, next guy is British pound. British pound, as you can see, also inside of this range. Nothing to do. If somehow it would hit this level today, there could be good bounce off. But at this moment, there is no entry. Also, as you can see, British pound, Japanese yen. At the beginning from a day, I thought that they would hit these levels and would do pullback, but at this moment, there is nothing to do. Gold also inside in a range. Technically it broke up this channel but came back. To be honest, I also out of gold and don't trade it. Silver also in this, better to open it on TradingView. Silver, as you can see, in this channel, nothing to do, my friends. Better for you, I would show instruments which I have on a list and which would like to trade. I think for you, for all of you, it would be far better. Okay guys, ask your questions. What questions do you have about trading, all that stuff? Also below this video you'll find a lot of useful links. Follow me on TradingView, on Telegram, Instagram. About Bitcoin, as you remember, when I told many days before, Bitcoin, as you can see, bounced off from this level, from 10,951, and at this moment I think that price would continue its uprise with huge possibility. Because why I think so? Because, my friends, at this moment, as you can see, every low become higher and higher, and like there is no reason for a powerful down drop. after breakout of this, there are a lot of reasons for our price. That's maybe one of the best and the most accurate and clear idea which I have on a list, because in most cases all instruments at this moment very suck, because if you would open most of the instruments you would see that most of them in a range. I don't like to trade instruments in a range because there is no accurate entry point with low and predictable risk. At this moment, for me, UK Brent oil looks the best. Why? Because as you can see, price slowly approaching to this level, slowly. And breakout of this level could start good and beautiful up price. For me, it's clear. In other cases, if you would open other instruments, you would see that range is nothing clear, but take a look on this beauty. Just imagine how many people set their stop losses above. Imagine all these sellers who open sell inside of this. Imagine also those sellers who would quit. It's area where sellers would quit, and for us it would be maybe one of the best places for accurate entry point. Type into a chat, do you agree with me? Do you agree with me about oil? It's important to hear, do you agree? Also write into a chat, did you ever recommend this live stream to your friends? Another one, USD Canadian. If USD Canadian somehow would do such pullback with re-high and false breakout, open sell position, stop loss here and down drop. USD DBP or maybe you thought USD GBP. Okay. British pound Australian, as you can see here, it depends on what day there would be this hit, but take a look. Price slowly approaching to this level, slowly. Huge possibility. If price would break it, it can start powerful uptrend, because as you can see it here. If price would hit this level today, would do false breakout, there would be pullback, we can open sell. After that, pay attention that the huge possibility, if price would come back after that, there would be breakout and start of uptrend. Euro Australia already broke up all of this. Euro Australia, as you can see, just broke up its previous high. What do you expect if daily candle would close at high below that level? Tomorrow I would trade breakout. For me it would be, take a look on this range and this beautiful accumulation. If that would happen, there's a huge possibility for breakout at least into this or that area. Canadian Japanese. Euro Japanese, if it starts downtrend, Euro Japanese already rose up full ATR today, but what's the reason for a downtrend? At this moment it's not clear why it should drop. There is no reasons. Like, yes, price rose up full ATR, but as you can see at this moment, USD Japanese yen inside of this volatility, just inside. There is no beautiful reason for any move. Because tell me please, what kind of players would quit inside? There must be a reason for a move. There must be stop losses, all that stuff. If price would hit today, especially today, this level, yes, there could be some pullback. In other cases, there is no reason. There is no reason for a move. Because once more, why it's so important? Because there is nothing. As you can see here inside, there is nothing. There is no powerful level, only ATR, that's all. There is not stop losses, because really a lot of stop losses here and a lot of stop losses here. There is nothing. Canadian Japanese yen. Canadian Japanese yen, as you can see, it is in this uptrend from this area, but globally it is inside of a channel. Once more, globally it is inside of this channel, as you can see. And your trades, when you want to open a trades, there must be something like this: paranormal moves here and hit of some level, and you trade false breakout inside. Or there must be something like this: range, breakout of a range, start of a move. At this moment, the not first, not a second. That's why possibility of good and healthy trend very minimum. Range. Range, you can trade it from range borders. You can try to trade it from a range borders. That's all. In other cases, there is nothing to do. There is no breakout. There is no any move. Like at this moment, best strategy is to trade from a range border. Price hit range border, you buy. Price hit upper border, you sell. That's all. 1 month ago, for situation of UK oil was similar as now, but it broke down off again. Do you think it will be different now? Once more, what do you mean about UK? Once more, 1 month ago, the situation in UK was similar as now, but it broke down. You mean you mean this one? You mean this one? Remember, everything can happen. That's why what we need to do when we set order, we need to set proper stop loss, which must be nearly 20% of its ATR, something like that. And we need to take risk reward at least in 5-6 times bigger, or even 7 times bigger if we would be lucky. That's all what we can do. Because once more, you don't know in what cases price would make beautiful breakout and would start a trend. That's why we need to take good risk reward in all cases. When we would have good risk reward, possibilities that we would be benefited very huge. Okay, what else do I have on a list? S&P 500 I had on a list, but at this moment it didn't do a pullback to this level. As you can see, mirror area, mirror level, paranormal candle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, breakout, and at this moment it didn't test it. So sad. Sometimes it can happen. That's why, my friends, to be honest, on these days, a market for swing traders not the best. Why? Because US elections is coming. US election is coming, and there too much range volatility. Take a look, range and other range. EURUSD just in a range. 1, 2, 3 month, already 3 month. British pound, Japanese yen, only here were some trend. Gold globally in a range. 1 range, second range, 1, 2, 3 month. Soon it would be 3 month. Silver range. Canadian downward channel, Canadian beta, Swiss franc range, New Zealand range, Australia not beautiful but still sideways, a lot of sideways move. Japanese yen, very crazy instrument at this moment. As you can see, for the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 months we didn't have beautiful moves. Like there were a few moves, but it was so rarely. Take a look, like range, this range, and break out of this. You can see it here, like this range and break out of this. And after that, price didn't do any beautiful moves so often. Oil, as you can see, oil only on previous month did this beautiful move and this beautiful trap. In other cases, that's all what we had on oil. That's why I'm showing it to you. Euro British pound, as you can see, only this move were beautiful. In other cases, what we have, range and this downward channel plus range. That means, my friends, when you trade, you need to understand what is current market cycle. For swing traders, it is not the best market cycle. For those who trade like in a range, who trade martingale, it is maybe one of the best time, because if you trade martingale, you can open the positions and price will come back to your position. But remember, if you would not set if you will not have risk management with your martingale, result will be the same when market will start something like this. Gold, please. Okay, gold, please. About gold, there is nothing beautiful. There is nothing beautiful. As you can see, we had this level. And at this moment, price didn't react any well on this level. If there would be something like one candle, one bar, additional bar, close at additional, and additional, for me, that would be a really good and beautiful place for entry. In other cases, as you can see here, it's just a range, and here just a range. There is nothing beautiful. There is no beautiful and accurate entry points. That's why I don't like this. Also about gold, I wait for beautiful accumulation. Why? Because after this range, after this accumulation, we would have a trend. When the trend would start, it would be easier to predict a move, because in most cases, as you can see, when trend starts, it creates limit levels, and breakout of these limit levels better to trade. Once more about gold. Gold will show to us its way and its direction, like it was, for example, here. If gold will do something like here, maybe one of the best example of history. Take a look. Before breakout of level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, even this day, 6, 7 days in a row, price were in a range, and only after price broke it. That's example for you what we should looking for. That's all, my friends. To be honest, once more, market is not the best for trading. I recommend you to wait for a beauty. I recommend you to a beauty. At this moment, what I recommend you, take a look. Join our free trading course, link below this. Join our VIP signals in Discord for Forex and crypto, where we send best ideas. Here is a trustful FX regulated broker, which I personally use. Here is, if you have any questions about our services, you should write here. My team will send you all information. Also here is a link on our Telegram channel. I recommend you to subscribe. My Instagram page, open and follow me, because it's my personal. You can ask many questions. And here is useful lessons. Which you can watch. I recommend you to watch this lesson. It's about martingale, because many people at this moment in such range conditions can trade martingale strategy, and after that lesson you would understand that you need to be careful with martingale and all of that stuff. Okay, my friends, ask any questions in the chat, and please ask any questions. Okay, I have got a bearish pattern about gold. My friend, there could be a bearish pattern once more. According to my strategy, I prefer to be out of gold. What helped you the most when you started? First, what helped me to have such diaries and record all my trades. As you can see, this one. It's one of five which I have. First, record every your trade. Second, if you have money, get good educational course, because without it for you it will be difficult. Gold will reach 1980. Yes, I think gold will reach 1980, but the main question, when? Can you see Omni USD? Yes. Gold up or down? Gold out. There is nothing beautiful on gold. Just out. Be out. That's the best what you can do on a gold. Also, my friends, many of you, if you are looking for good education, below this video you'll find a link about our course and contacts of my team. Write to us, because we can teach you how to build levels, how to find best places, set stop loss, take profits, all that stuff. Believe me, it would save you a lot of time. Right now my team will help you with any questions. That consultations for free. Don't okay. Omni. No, I thought that this coin would die, because take a look, after this powerful trap, it was 1000 ATR. Oh my god, 1000 ATR. This powerful trap, take a look what had happened. To be honest, at this moment price, at this trend line, break out of this, could start up more. When you trade such coins, remember that there are places where it's easy to predict where it will move and where it's hard. I recommend to trade some accurate patterns which easy to understand. For example, breakout. I love to trade breakout. Example, you have this trend line, and breakout of this trend line can start up move. That's all. If breakout would happen, up move can start. But remember that generally we're still in this downtrend and nothing had changed. There is no reason for, like, downtrend can continue. Wait for breakout of this triangle and follow it. That's all. I have got resistance bearish RCI overbought on gold. Don't use that shit. RCI is a shit. Together for gold down. Okay. Down selling. Can you see? Yes, and my friends, I do quickly on crypto market, because yes, many of you ask me often about it. We would pay attention only to instruments which really interesting. At this moment, what's really interesting it is Bitcoin dominance, because as you can see at this moment, Bitcoin dominance slowly create a triangle, and breakout of this can start up move. That means Bitcoin become heavier, especially before American elections. At this moment, Bitcoin, I waited for this pullback, but it didn't happen. So sad. False breakout didn't happen. Sometimes, as you can see, it's going on. Sometimes we have such picture. So sad, it didn't happen. But I still do believe that Bitcoin would hit at least this level, 12,200. Ethereum, nothing beautiful. I'm looking only for beautiful pictures at this moment. Also nothing beautiful. There is something beautiful on these instruments. Oh my god. It looks like all market is waiting for something. It looks like all market preparing for something. Ranges, only ranges. As you can see, it's broke up this local level. It broke up this local level. Maybe it can start up more, at least to its re-high, something like that. Pay attention to Cardano. Binance Bitcoin didn't broke it. Binance USD, very close to its previous high, very close to its previous high. Pay attention, because it depends how price will react on it. If there would be false breakout and sharp candle, I mean sharp candle double ATR, something like this, huge possibility for pullback, something like that. If that would be price slowly will approach to this level, create a range, huge possibility for breakout. Dash Bitcoin, take a look, it's very close to its all history low. Pay attention, will be there false breakout or not, because maybe this false breakout can start some move. Many stop losses here below could be, it can change its trend. Many of you ask me how sometimes is easy to predict that price will change its trend. Take a look, when you see something like this candle with 600 ATR, that means with huge possibility after that there would be a drop. The same here, take a look, 900% ATR, and what happened? Yes, down drop, relow, take a look on this relow, and bounce off. EOS Bitcoin, as you can see, all instruments against Bitcoin is going down, because Bitcoin dominance is growing. Okay. I have got resistance. Okay, how can I find HR like you? You can, below this video you will find contacts, and you can write to my team and ask about purchase. You can buy it. Okay. Hello Yuri, how are you? Asad, all from Pakistan. Asad, nice to see you here. Nice to see you here. Silver analysis, please. Ethereum. I spoke about silver and Ethereum, my friends. You will be able to watch it again. Once more, to be honest, market is not the best at this moment. I'm out in most cases because I don't have best and beautiful instruments at this moment for trade. Too many ranges. I don't like such market. Okay, take care. I need to go. Thank you for your time. Bye.